Hi, I just wanted to share a fun little thing that I tried. The Copilots are getting a lot of attention, but the Copilot for Forms doesn't seem to be getting a lot of airplay. And I tried it once and thought, meh. But then I tried it again when I was going to create a very complex form with a bunch of Likert scales, and it was very long, and I thought it would be very tedious to go through and create this by hand. So I thought I'd try to prompt engineer this one. So what I've done is I created a prompt, a rather long prompt that basically went into some detail here. So a survey of requirements for Teams phone call queue features. We didn't end up actually going this way with the customer, but I thought it would be very useful. They should use a series of 5 Likert questions. I just wanted to break it up so it wasn't like 50 items long. So I wanted to break it up into 5 different questions. Each one has 10 features to score. The question or the stem is the same for all of them, just so that they have more detail. Because if I had these longer descriptions up in the columns or the options of the Likert scale, it made it would make it scroll back and forth left to right, and I didn't want that. So I wanted to keep the headings of those items short. So I've got that in the prompt or in the question themselves. Anyway, so listed out what the 5 options were, the list of features as follows. And then what I did was split it into the 5 questions. So I had my long list of features and I split it out into the 5 questions themselves. And this whole thing fits into the prompt. The prompt for Copilot, for Forms Copilot. Let me show you how that works. So if I switch over and show you that this is working, I'm going to go to a new form and I'm just pasting in my long prompt here and hit generate, and it will go ahead and do that. So you can see pretty slick, and I can go ahead and keep that, and then all I had to do was add a question or two up at the beginning, and I was ready to go. So I just thought this was a fun one that doesn't get a lot of attention, and it's worth giving a shot if you need to create a long form.